All right, here doing a box of Grand Reserve. Grand Reserve for Magic Penny. Good luck. I don't know, man. Just not feeling what's being offered, I guess. Yeah, actually, yeah. John just did. Oh, is that a redemption? Oh, we got a redemption. All right, we got Jordan Clarkson, Ben Simmons, rookie. So far, so good. And it is Jimmy Butler, upper tier signatures. You still got a cornerstone to go too. All right, autograph is Malcolm Delaney. Malcolm Delaney. Looks like the cornerstone. Actually, I don't know if you're gonna get a cornerstone. Are you still gonna get a cornerstone? All right, here we go. Yeah, you're still gonna get a cornerstone. So you got a 3 auto box. All right, we got a Giannis Unbreakable, and it is Alex English at a 99. All right, thanks again, Ruben. Appreciate it. Peace.